All right, so got this Sunpow garden hose reel from Amazon. Funny story on this. So the wife was asking me a few weeks ago what I wanted, for my birthday and Christmas coming up. And, I'm always very specific with things I need. Very easy to shop for. Wanted one of these for a while. Instead of dragging the hose through the front. I mean, yeah, it'd be nice to have, one for the back too, but this is 82 and a half feet. Or something like that. Yeah, 82 feet, half-inch hose. Comes with everything on it. So we're gonna take a look and see what it is. I'm just gonna unbox it, but funny story, it came with Amazon the other day, and it just came like this, right? So it did come in a box, and she wasn't home, so clearly I was the one getting the packages, and so I knew what it was. So I thought that was kind of funny, but wasn't really surprised because she was kind of hinting around it, asking questions about hoses and things like that. So I'm just gonna open it here, unbox it, and see what we have. Your instruction manual. My hands are kind of cold right now, but it looks, fairly simple enough, right? Don't need to spend too much time on that. Usually with these types of things, I like to take photos of it as I'm taking stuff out in case there's a problem. You know exactly how it's supposed to go. But I mean, it's gonna be out of that return window anyways by the time I get this thing up. So okay, so here's a mount and some mounting hardware. Looks like some anchors, some thick screws, 4 anchors and screws. I'm not gonna open this up. There's your nozzle. Lots of different features on this. This is actually highest. I think this is Amazon's choice, so it's rated really well. And I'm not sure how to take this out of here. There's a handle on it. Maybe not. Yep. Okay, perfect. So there's a handle. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Make things a little bit easier. And this thing is heavy duty, right? At least I hope it is. It's got to be a lot easier to work with than dragging a hose that always gets kinked through. It just looks like crap too, so. And then there's its connection here. I don't really need to take all that off right now, but this will be, good enough for now. So it looks pretty solid. And it does rotate, so it's nice because it 180-degree pivot swivel. Easy to access the hose back here. So that's it. I don't really know. Nice little handle on it. I'm not sure how to mount this thing yet, but I mean, I guess I'll figure that out. That's what the instructions are for, right? So that's it. Pretty solid. Looks pretty nice. I like the gray and black. Gives it a little bit of touch to it. So that's it. That concludes this video. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.